everybody, welcome back to my kitchen and welcome back to my channel. Okay, so I am completely moved. It's been a very stressful time. I mean, moving, it's no joke. And packing, first packing, unpacking, and just moving all this stuff while you're trying to do 3,000 other things at the same time. So it's definitely challenging, but I like my new home. I'm all settled. I don't have any more box to open except gift. If you send me some, I'll be happy to unbox those. Well, I guess I'm just on time finishing the settling down, just on time for the holiday. And I wanted to show you my low carb stuffing recipe. And why don't we start right away? Actually, I have some cooking to do for real, and I have people coming over for real. So let's get started. Okay, so this is my dining table. And the dining table looks nice. It always looks nice, but I feel like we can make it a little more festive. So I have a table runner and some cover for the chairs. Yeah, some cover for the chairs. So I'm gonna put those on and then I'm gonna start cooking. Okay, this looks a little bit better. A little more Christmassy, right? Okay. Okay, to start my stuffing that I'm gonna put in my, with my turkey. I'm only doing half a turkey, so it's gonna be a side with the turkey. I have low carb croutons that I ordered from this website, lindasdietdelights.com. I hope you can see that. Lindasdietdelights.com is full of products that are low carb. All these bread stuff and pastry stuff that we missing on the low carb or keto diet, you can have all kinds of stuff from them. So I'm trying this stuff right now. I will do another review with other products in another video. I'm going to use also chopped pecans. I'm going to use celery, a few celery sticks, one onion. You can also put one garlic. I have garlic powder today, so. And then my spices, I'm going to be putting rosemary, sage, garlic, black pepper, and sea salt. So I chopped my celery and my onions, and now I'm getting ready to put 2 cups of chopped pecans in the oven. I'm going to bake them at 325 degrees for about 10 to 15 minutes, but I would suggest to really check on them. You don't want to burn them. You just want them to be a little bit roasted and crispier. This is what's cooking in my oven. A smoked turkey and a veal. Both roasting. Well, the smoked turkey is done. The veal looks like it's going to take another 20 or 30 minutes. The smoked turkey was already smoked before I put it in the oven. I bought it smoked already. Okay, so now that my vegetables have roasted, as you can see, they're a little bit brown. That's a good time to put my chopped pecans and then my croutons. I'm going to mix them all together. And then if you have juice from your turkey, if you're making the whole turkey or whatever meat you're making, you can pour in this mixture. But I got some chicken broth, organic chicken broth that I'm gonna add maybe a couple of cups. I don't like mine too mushy. I like it to still stay kind of crispy, so we'll see the end result. Okay, so I mixed all my ingredients except for my spices. Let me do the spices now. So let me put enough salt. Okay, my sea salt. Let me put a little bit of black pepper. Rosemary. The sage. Garlic powder. And I think that's about it. Rosemary, sage, garlic powder, salt, pepper. So now I'm gonna pour a cup of my chicken broth. And you can add as you're cooking, if you see that it's too hard for you. I like it not too mushy, so I'm gonna make sure it doesn't become like a paste. But after you pour that juice in it, you can put that in a dish and put it in the oven again for about 10, maximum 15 minutes. 350 degrees. And then serve it. You can stuff your turkey or serve it on the side dish. I think I'm going to decorate my turkey dish. Yeah. Here we go. So I put it in another dish to bake a little bit, maybe 15 minutes in the oven. 10-15 minutes, 325 degree. Yeah. Here's my table. Here is my table. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This is what you're missing? Right. This is what you're missing. Okay. This is what you're missing. That's the smoked turkey, the veal. Okay. Cheesecake flavored sweet potato, okay, with chocolate and toffee on top. Made by Jordan, my friend Jordan. Okay. Gravy, mushroom and sauce, gravy sauce, mac and cheese, sweet potato puree, baked in the oven with cheese. Okay. Irish cream, strawberry Irish cream. And this is what you're missing. Clink, 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 clink.
Tight one. You got it.
Tastes really good. Well, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy. And I'll see you on my next video, everybody. Happy holiday. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.